Good morning, everybody. It is Saturday, 2 days after our storm, and I'm headed to the library. As you see, this is what my area looks like near Holy Cross Church. This is Soundview Avenue. Forgot what that block is in back of us. I think it's Taylor. Yeah. Gotta love the cars for honking. Walking through the snow. They could have did a better job at cleaning the path. That's the lawyer's office that should have done that, but it's still walkable. I have to say this, and I'm going to give you all a word of advice before I showcase what it was like the day of the storm and the day after, okay? It is Saturday. The wind chill is what makes it feel this crappy. If you layer up, leggings or long johns or both, and your pants or jogging pants, whatever, just layer up. Winter boots, not glamour girl boots. They better be trekking type of boots like Gore-Tex or Tim's or whatever for this weather. On your face, put some lotion first, facial cream, face cream, and then Vaseline. You're gonna feel the wind, but it's not gonna bite you as hard. That'll help protect your face. You're still gonna get red like I am. Keep your gloves on, your hat, and a warm coat. With that being said, enjoy what I'm about to show you, and I will see you all tonight. Because guess what? Mood time, and the topic of discussion, Logan Paul. Later. You see them riding a bike in the snow. You gotta be kidding me. First Avenue, look at them. I really have to showcase my area. I have to walk through the snow and trust and believe the snow is going in my boots. And we're just walking to the front of my building, but I have to wait for them to clear off the front. So this is serious. Oh gosh. Okay. I'm so glad I left work early. Nice. My winter wonderland. Winter wonderland. I'm about to bust my butt out here. Gotta love this snow. Help. Gonna turn this off.